Welcome to this edition of the Entrepreneur Learning Series by SkilledMBA. Today, we dive into the story of Glow Recipe, a brand that transformed TikTok from just another social media platform into its primary driver of success. With over 1.6 million followers and $300 million in annual sales, Glow Recipe mastered the art of customer engagement, product innovation, and authenticity. In this session, we will explore how social media became the foundation of their business strategy, the importance of community-driven branding, actionable lessons for entrepreneurs looking to scale using digital platforms. Let's uncover the secret behind Glow Recipe's viral success. For most brands, social media is a marketing tool. For Glow Recipe, it became the lifeblood of their business model. Community as capital. Customers weren't just buyers, they were brand advocates. Two-way conversations. Instead of just talking, Glow Recipe listened, engaged, and adapted. Beyond promotion, their content strategy wasn't just about selling, it was about building relationships. This approach transformed their audience into a loyal and engaged customer base, leading to explosive growth. Before Glow Recipe became a social media phenomenon, its founders, Sarah Lee and Christine Chang, followed a unique path. Korean roots. Growing up in Korea, they experienced skincare as a communal and cultural ritual. L'Oreal experience. They met while working at L'Oreal, gaining global beauty industry insights. Brand launch. With just $50,000 in savings, they built Glow Recipe around fruit-based skincare. Their background shaped not just the products, but the brand's storytelling and authenticity, setting them apart from competitors. A key driver of Glow Recipe's success was their ability to actively listen to customers and adapt quickly. Monday meetings. The customer care team shared insights from social media comments and DMs every week. Real-time Slack channel. A dedicated TikTok IG channel captured trends and feedback 24/7. Pattern recognition. By analyzing recurring customer themes, the team anticipated demand before competitors. This data-driven listening strategy fueled product innovation and marketing decisions. Here's a real-world example of how listening to customers led to product innovation and massive sales. Customer demand. Users frequently asked for skincare solutions for adult acne-prone skin. Product innovation. The team developed Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum in response. Market impact. The product launched with a $15 million projected first-year revenue. By leveraging customer feedback, Glow Recipe didn't just sell products, they created solutions people were already asking for. One of the most powerful examples of Glow Recipe's ability to turn social media engagement into massive revenue is the launch of their product, Hue Drops. It all started when customers began asking for a lightweight serum that could enhance their skin's glow without makeup. Instead of guessing what their audience wanted, Glow Recipe listened carefully to TikTok trends and direct customer feedback. Real-time engagement. The team monitored comments and DMs daily, recognizing a growing demand for glow-enhancing serums. Pre-launch teasers. Before launching Hue Drops, Glow Recipe seeded the product with influencers and micro-creators, sparking curiosity. TikTok virality. Within days of launch, the product became a trending topic, with thousands of users showcasing their glowing skin results. The results? Hue Drops generated $30 million in revenue in its first year. This wasn't just a lucky viral moment, it was the result of intentional customer listening, strategic product placement, and a deep understanding of digital culture. Engagement isn't just about posting content. Glow Recipe made sure every customer comment got a response. Customer priority, whether positive or negative, every interaction mattered. Memorable engagement. Studies show responding is the number one most impactful brand action. Turning criticism into opportunity, negative feedback became a chance to demonstrate transparency. A powerful example of this, their response to a product crisis. When one of their products developed an unpleasant odor, Glow Recipe faced public criticism from influencer Kathleen Lights, who called it rancid dog piss. Instead of ignoring or getting defensive, they acknowledged the problem. They reformulated the product. They responded with humor. By owning their mistakes and engaging with authenticity, they turned negative PR into positive brand credibility. Social media has evolved. Customers now prefer raw, real, and unfiltered content over polished perfection. Glow Recipe recognized this early on. No retouching. They stopped editing their photos years ago. Real models. Their campaigns feature customers without makeup or airbrushing. Visible skin conditions, showcasing real skin issues built trust and relatability. This commitment to authenticity strengthened customer relationships and brand loyalty. Glow Recipe took authenticity a step further by putting real customers at the center of their brand. First campaign, 3,000 customers applied to be featured. Second campaign, 4,000 applications, even more interest, blind selection process. Winners were chosen based on their skin stories, not their looks. A powerful moment from this campaign, one winner had Down syndrome, and when she was announced, her entire family joined the call, celebrating with tears. By putting real people front and center, Glow Recipe made customers feel seen, valued, and included. One of the most touching moments in Glow Recipe's customer-focused campaign involved a young woman with Down syndrome. When she was announced as one of the campaign winners, something incredible happened. Her entire family jumped onto the call, cheering, crying, and celebrating together. For her, it wasn't just about skincare, it was about representation. For her family, it was a moment of pride, proving that beauty is for everyone. For Glow Recipe, it was proof that inclusivity isn't just a marketing slogan, it's a commitment. Moments like these go beyond sales. They create emotional connections that turn customers into lifelong brand advocates. Unlike traditional beauty brands that hire professional models, Glow Recipe puts real customers at the heart of its campaigns. When they launched their first-ever customer-focused marketing campaign, they received an overwhelming 3,000 applications from people who wanted to be featured. By the time they launched their second campaign, the number had jumped to 4,000 applications. But here's what made their approach different. No professional models. The campaign only featured real customers with authentic skin journeys. Blind selection process. Instead of choosing based on looks, they prioritized compelling skin stories. Diverse representation. The winners reflected a wide range of ethnicities, ages, and skin concerns, making the brand truly inclusive. This strategy did more than just sell products. It made Glow Recipe's audience feel seen, valued, and heard, reinforcing their brand authenticity. Glow Recipe's social media isn't just about virality. It's a carefully structured strategy. Listen systematically. Create a structured process for capturing and analyzing customer feedback. Respond to everyone. Engagement builds brand trust. Show authenticity. Embrace imperfections and real customers. Keep evolving. Social media changes. Stay ahead by adapting. These tactics didn't just build a following, they fueled a $300 million business. Ned, this isn't just theory. Glow Recipe's revenue proves the power of social media. Blackberry Retinol, a social media-driven launch that generated 15 million in first-year sales. Hue Drops, a viral TikTok trend that led to a 30 million launch. Overall growth. These strategies directly contributed to their 300 million revenue milestone. Social media wasn't just a marketing channel. It became the foundation of their business strategy. Glow Recipe's journey offers 3 critical lessons for entrepreneurs building brands in the digital era: social media as business DNA, Don't just use social media for marketing. Make it your business foundation. Two-way conversations. Create systems to capture, analyze, and act on customer feedback. Authentic connection. People trust brands that embrace imperfection and engage transparently. These lessons apply far beyond beauty. They're universal strategies for success in today's digital world. Glow Recipe transformed social media into a business engine. Listening fueled innovation. Engagement built brand loyalty. Authenticity created lasting customer relationships. For entrepreneurs, this case proves that genuine customer connection can drive massive business growth. Thank you for joining this episode of Entrepreneur Learning Series by SkilledMBA. Now, let's open the floor for questions and discussions.